My name's Jimmy Clewes and I'm here at the Marc School of Furniture and Crafts. Very fortunate, in my opinion, it is the best craft school, woodworking school in the country. I'm here this week and I was there the previous weekend. So this week, basically I tailor the class to what the students want. We go through bowl turning, box turning, spindle work, all the disciplines of wood turning. And today we happen to be making just a nice little lidded box. That fits nicely onto there. And we did some texturing and some gilt cream on the top. So the texturing was made by this little tool here, held at an angle, across there, and depending on the angle we hold it, you can have different patterns on there. And of course it was embellished with a little bit of dye and some gilt cream. So that's just one of the projects that the class are doing this week. We have a full class and a great group of students. They're real funny guys. We're having a real good time. So that would be a bit of an overview of this week's class.